Last week, my morning coffee exploded all over my car's center console. I grabbed a random cleaner, but it left a greasy, streaky mess that attracted dust instantly. Finding the right car interior cleaner is frustrating with so many options promising the world, but leaving sticky residues or harsh chemical smells. You need something that actually cleans, protects, and finishes perfectly matte. I've personally tested dozens of popular sprays to find the absolute best, and wait until you see the miracle worker that took our #1 spot today. Five, S Professional Xpress. When I first got my hands on this bottle, I was genuinely excited because it comes highly recommended in the professional auto detailing community. I decided to test it out on my daily driver's heavily soiled door panels and the bottom of the seats where scuff marks tend to accumulate. The product is designed to be versatile, capable of tackling dirt, grease, and grime on leather, vinyl, and plastics without causing any discoloration or damage to the underlying materials. One of the standout features of the Xpress cleaner is its foaming action. When you spray it directly onto a detailing brush and agitate the surface, it creates a really thick, rich lather that lifts dirt out of the textured grains of your car's plastics and leather seats. I found this particularly useful for deep cleaning the steering wheel, which is notoriously difficult to get perfectly clean. It has a fresh, somewhat industrial scent that isn't entirely overpowering, and it definitely has the chemical muscle to break down stubborn, stuck-on grime that has been baking in a hot car for months. However, during my hands-on testing, I quickly realized that this product requires a significant amount of effort to use correctly. Because it foams up so heavily, it requires a lot of wiping to fully remove from the surface. If you don't perfectly buff it out with a clean, dry microfiber towel, I noticed it leaves behind a slightly tacky residue that looks uneven, especially in direct sunlight. This was incredibly frustrating when I was just trying to do a quick wipe down before a drive, as I had to keep going back over the same spots to eliminate the streaks it left behind. 4. 300 3-Speed Detailer. 303 is a legendary brand in the automotive care world, specifically known for their incredible UV protectants, so I had high expectations when bringing this into the cabin of my car. I tested this spray thoroughly across my dashboard, center console, and door trims. It is formulated to be a quick, all-around detailer that instantly cleans, protects, and shines multiple surfaces, boasting powerful UV blockers that guard against fading, cracking, and degradation from intense sun exposure. The application process is incredibly straightforward. You simply spray it on and wipe it off, and it immediately flashes away, leaving a layer of protection behind. I really appreciated the signature 303 UV protection factor, especially for the top of the dashboard, which takes an absolute beating from the sun during the summer months. It also claims to repel dust, dirt, and stains, which is exactly what you want in an interior product to stretch out the time between your weekend car washes. But when I took this spray to my infotainment screen and piano black glossy trims, I immediately ran into a major problem. While it is marketed as a versatile speed detailer, the formula clearly leans heavily towards exterior paint and trim use. On interior plastics and delicate screens, it smeared terribly. I found myself having to use 3 different completely dry microfiber towels just to chase down the cloudy streaks it left behind on any smooth surface. It created a hazy film on my navigation screen that caught the glare of the sun, making it difficult to see the map while driving. 3. Meguiar's Quik. Meguiar's is a staple in almost every car enthusiast garage, and this specific interior detailer has been a long-time favorite for a good reason. I wanted to see how it handled the delicate, highly trafficked areas of my car, so I heavily tested it on my digital gauge cluster, the massive center touchscreen, and all the soft-touch materials surrounding the cabin. It is explicitly designed to safely clean all interior surfaces without compromising their finish, making it a true grab-and-go product for routine maintenance. What I absolutely love about this product is its sheer safety profile. Unlike the previous cleaners that struggled with smearing on modern car interiors, Meguiar's Quik is incredibly forgiving. I confidently sprayed it directly onto clear plastics, navigation screens, and shiny wood trims, and it wiped away effortlessly. It contains mild cleaning agents that easily remove smudges, fingerprints, dust, and light ash, while simultaneously laying down a layer of sun-blocking agents to preserve the original look of your vehicle's interior materials. The finish it leaves behind is easily one of its greatest strengths. When I wiped down my dashboard, it didn't leave artificial gloss or a greasy, silicone-heavy shine. Instead, it restored the plastic and vinyl to a beautiful, natural OEM matte finish. The dashboard looked exactly like it did the day the car rolled off the dealership lot. Plus, it leaves behind a very subtle, clean fragrance that makes the cabin feel refreshed without smelling like a cheap air freshener or harsh chemical solvent. This is the ultimate maintenance spray for people who like to keep their cars tidy on a weekly basis. You can keep a bottle in your trunk with a microfiber towel and detail the entire interior at a red light if you wanted to. 2. Turtle Wax Hybrid. The car detailing industry has been obsessed with ceramic and graphene technology for exteriors, and Turtle Wax brilliant brought that tech inside the cabin. I was incredibly eager to test this out, targeting my leather seats, the vinyl armrests, and the heavily textured plastics on the lower door sills. Inside Job is formulated with a proprietary blend of cleaning enzymes, natural oils for conditioning, and ceramopolymers for unparalleled long-term protection. The cleaning power of this spray is genuinely impressive. During my testing, the built-in enzymes went to work immediately, breaking down body oils and stubborn grime on my leather steering wheel that lesser cleaners just gloss over. But what makes it special is that it doesn't just strip the surface. The aloe vera and natural conditioning oils feed the leather and plastics, restoring a rich, deep color to faded areas. It felt like I was giving my car's interior a luxury spa treatment, completely revitalizing materials that were starting to look tired and dry. The real magic, however, happens after you wipe it off. Thanks to the ceramic and graphene infusion, Inside Job leaves behind an invisible, incredibly smooth protective barrier. I noticed over the next few weeks of driving that dust simply refused to stick to the dashboard. The anti-static properties are legitimately mind-blowing. When dust did eventually settle, it blew right off with the AC vents, completely eliminating that sticky film that usually attracts pet hair and pollen. It provides immense UV protection, effectively shielding your expensive interior from sun damage and cracking. The finish is a slightly deepened, rich satin look, not greasy, but noticeably conditioned and protected. One, Chemical Guys Total. If you have ever been overwhelmed by the sheer number of different bottles required to detail a car, one for glass, one for leather, one for plastic, this is the miracle solution you have been waiting for. I put this product through the ultimate torture test, using it on literally every single surface inside a neglected family SUV, from the sticky cup holders to the muddy cloth seats, the leather trim, and the grubby windows. The versatility of this product is completely unmatched. You can literally spray it on anything without fear. I used it to wipe away heavy grease from the door handles, seamlessly transition to cleaning the delicate GPS navigation screen, and then use the exact same towel to clean the inside of the windshield without leaving a single streak. It cleans away dirt, grime, fingerprints, and body oils effortlessly, replacing the need for 5 different specialized detailing products and saving you an immense amount of time and money. Beyond its incredible cleaning capabilities, it lays down a robust layer of UV protection to help prevent fading and cracking on your dashboard and door panels. But the absolute best part of this cleaner is the finish it leaves behind. It flashes away perfectly dry to the touch, leaving absolutely no greasy, oily, or slick feeling on any surface. The plastics look dark and rich, the glass is perfectly transparent, and the steering wheel feels secure and clean in your hands. It also leaves behind a fantastic, subtle baby powder fresh scent that neutralizes lingering odors. Chemical Guys Total Interior is the holy grail of car detailing. It is the only bottle you need to keep your entire cabin looking immaculate. Ultra. That's all for today.